Yes, today we are here to learn a lot how to save your relationship or your marriage from collapsing. Maybe you are seriously in love with someone, but the person is not showing any sign of interest, or the person is not ready to be with you, and you really need the person. I'm here to teach you how to use a cocoyam root with a combination with a bay leaf or magic leaf to do a spell for your partner to love only you. You see, this is a cocoyam root. So you go and find a magic leaf or a bay leaf. After getting the leaf, you write your partner's name on it. Listen to me very careful. After finding the leaves, you write only your partner's name on the leaf. Whilst you phrase your partner's name on the leaf, you are coming to bury it under the root of the cocoyam. Listen to me. You are going to bury the bay leaf or the magic leaf with your partner's name under the root of the cocoyam for 3 days. After burying for 3 days, you will come and unbury it, then go and throw it on the refuse dump. I'm telling you, wherever that your partner is, or wherever the person is, he or she will be madly in love with you, and your wish will forever be that person's command. I'm telling you. Those that know this, they know what is capable of doing. You will bury it under it, and in 3 days time you will unbury it, then go and throw it on a refuse dump. The person will be madly in love with you. The person even can't live a day without hearing from you.